Hello dear students, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear students, in the previous two sessions we were discussing about the topic called as application to integrals. So last class we were discussing started with the topic that is exercise number 8.1. Dear students, so today in this session we shall continue with our exercise number 8.1 and its simple problem. So here the question may be asked for either 3 marks or either for the 5 marks. So here this first problem, it is for 3 marks problem here. Okay dear students, it is our 3 marks problem here. Let us observe the question what it is. Find the area enclosed by the parabola. What it is? Parabola y square is equal to 4x. Now let us draw the diagram here. That is nothing but enclosed by its parabola. Okay, now what is the parabola here? Parabola, it is our parabola here. That is nothing but here y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, y square is equal to 4x. Now here we can observe that and its latest rectum. So while discussing about the parabola, y square equal to 4x means it is inclined toward the positive x-axis, and this line it is nothing but our latest rectum. And here the length of the latest rectum. What is the length of the latest rectum? Whenever it is in standard form means the length of the latest rectum is a here. That is 2a. Now and here this particular distance, okay, and this particular distance is nothing but here a, okay, and this particular distance is a comma 0, and the focus is nothing but here a comma 0. Latest rectum always passes through what it is? Foci, that is a comma 0. That means this particular distance will be a, okay, that we are knowing here. Similarly, okay, now we shall start our problem here, actual problem. Here let us take it the origin as O, okay, let us take it as A, okay, B and C. Now here which area I require to find is find the area enclosed by the parabola and its latest rectum. Okay, this is our parabola and the latest rectum. That means students here I require to find this whole area sector, this whole sector area I require to find here. Okay, so what I will do is, since we know that these two halves are equal, these two halves are equal, so what I will do is 2 into this particular sector here. In that manner I will solve it. Okay, and also what is the y here? So here we can observe that this particular line will be our x equal to 0 and this particular line will be x equal to a. Okay, we require to find the area under the curve y is equal to, okay, square shifted toward the RHS between the x axis, lines x equal to 0 and x equal to a. Okay, that I will write down here clearly. So here we require to find dear students, that is area of that is O A B C O. For this purpose what I will do is 2 into area of O B C O. What I will do is area of O B C O. Now what it is, that is nothing but here, okay, that is 2 into area of O B C O. So what we get, that is integration of from where to where it is, the limit is from x equal to 0 to x equal to what it is, a here, into y dx. If it is with respect to x axis means dx we have to write, and we have to write the function y. But what do you mean by y here? From the given curve, only one single curve is there, area under this particular curve. So what it is here given, y square is equal to 4ax, that implies y is equal to root of 4ax, that is nothing but 2 root a into root x. Okay, now here that we shall apply here. Now what do you mean by here? That is 2 into integration from 0 to a here, that is 2 again, that is root a into root x into dx. Now here I can take 2 into root a outside. So what I get, that is 4 into root a integration from 0 to a root x dx. Now easily I can integrate here. So what we get here, that is 4 into root a, then integration of root x, that is nothing but here x raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Between the limits what we have, that is 0 to a. Okay, between the limits that is 0 to a here. Now here you can take that 3 by 2 constant outside. So what we get here, 4 2s are 8 root a divided by what we have, 3. Now between the limit x to the power of 3 by 2, 0 to a. Now you substitute both upper and lower limit. what we get here, that is 8 by 3 root a, upper limit value, that is a to the power of 3 by 2 minus 0. So here a to the power of 3 by 2, what we can write here, that is nothing but 8 by 3 root a, here that is nothing but a into root a, which is equal to a into a, root a into rate, that is a becomes a square, that is 8 by 3 a square, and the unit will be square units. Okay, at last you have to write down the units also. Now what is the unit? That is nothing but here square units. So what I have done in this particular problem is, this whole particular in both first and fourth quadrant, this value we require to find here. That's why 2 into this particular sector, 2 into this particular sector I am going to find here. So it is nothing but an area under the simple curve, that is the equation of the parabola and its lateral sectum. So before solving this problem, it is very important to understand the basic, that is always the lateral sectum passes through our foci. Okay, that is, and here the distance will be a here. Why? Because here the constant value is a here. It is in the standard format here. Okay, it is in the standard form. Okay, dear students, it is all about the first problem. Now let us move on to the next problem. Here, next problem will be asked for 5 marks in your annual examination. It is also a very simple question only. Now how to find it? That is, find the area of the region, okay, in the first quadrant. Find the area of the region in the first quadrant, enclosed by what it is? Enclosed by the x-axis. Okay, find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by the x-axis. The line x equal to, okay, what we have? That is 3 root y. Okay, little bit I will change here. Let us take it as 3 x equal to root 3 into y. Okay, x equal to root 3 into y, and the circle x square plus y square equal to 4. Okay, dear students, this particular example we will discuss here. So now whatever the equations are there, first of all we shall draw here. We shall draw here. The first one is x square plus y square is equal to r square. That is nothing but equation of the circle, and here the center is nothing but the origin. Origin is the center here. Okay, we will draw the circle, dear students. Okay, it is our equation of the circle, that is x square plus y square equal to 4. Then let us draw our line, that is y is equal to x. We know that y is equal to mx plus c. Dear students, y is equal to mx. It is nothing but our equation passing through the center here. Okay, and it depends, and angle depends on the value for m here. So here root 3 is very small, that is x by root 3 I will have. So therefore it is nothing but our line y is equal to x by root 3. And here which circle it is? It is nothing but here circle, okay, that is y square is equal to 4 minus x square, or you can write y is equal to root of 4 minus x square. That is our equation of the circle. Okay, I will write this equation once again, that is nothing but our x square plus y square is equal to 4. One thing. Okay, now here what we require to find is area of the region in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant I require to find the area. Which area? Means enclosed by the x-axis. Okay, the line x equal to y is equal to x by root 3, or root 3 into y equal to x, and the circle. That means here this particular sector area I require to find here. This particular sector area I require to find. So what I will do here is I will divide this whole area into 2 parts. Okay, be careful and be attentive also. Okay, that means the whole area, only this particular sector I am dividing into 2 parts. That is, one is this particular area. Okay, so here this particular area I require to find, as well as this particular area also I require to find it. Separately I will find out these 2 areas, and then we will add it. Now what it is, let us take it as an origin. Since what is our radius here? X square plus y square is equal to r square. Radius will be 2 here. That is, this particular point will be 2, 0. This particular point will be 2, 0. Now here, that means here we require to find this particular point here. Okay, we require to find this particular point here. That we shall find here. That is nothing but here this is our line, that is x equal to 2. Here it is nothing but our x equal to 0. It is nothing but our y axis, and it is nothing but our x axis. Now how to find that particular point here? Point of contact. So here the line and the equation of the circle, by equating these 2, easily you can find out this particular point of contact here, and then you can find out this particular value. How to find? Just we require to find the x value here. We don't require the y value. Okay. So now here I will write down here. We require, let us name it as OA, A, B, C. I will write here OA, B, C, O. Okay. We require to find area of OAB, okay, CO, OABCO, which is equal to area of that is OACO plus what I can write here, area of ABCA, area of ABCA. These are two areas we will find out separately. So before finding that, we require what? We require the point of the contact A here. Okay, that is nothing but here. But here to find the coordinates of A. Okay, the coordinates of A here, that we shall find first. That is nothing but equating these two lines. That is nothing but equating x square plus y square is equal to 4 and x equal to what it is, root 3 into y. These two I will substitute here. That implies I will substitute here x equal to root 3 into y in the above equation. That is nothing but our x square plus root 3 here, that is nothing but 3, and here y square as it. Okay, that is nothing but here. Okay, I will substitute here x equal to, that implies here y is equal to what we will have, x by root 3. I will substitute above. That is nothing but here x square plus y means what it is, x square by 3 equal to 4. Now you add it, 3 plus 1, that is nothing but 4 by 3. 4 by 3 x square is equal to 4. That implies here 4 get eliminates, and x square is equal to here 3. That implies x equal to root 3. So what is it? It is nothing but the x coordinate of this particular point A here. X coordinate of the point A here. That means here this particular coordinate value will be here root 3 comma, and since it lies on the x axis, the value will be 0 here. That particular point. That means what here, student, is I had find out this particular point of contact. Okay, e particular point of contact the coordinate ಕಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹೆಂಗ ಇವೆರಡು equate ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಇದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ. Now after finding out this value, the x value will be same here. Okay, according to diagram, the x value will be same here. That is nothing but our root 3 here. First thing. Now according to the formula, okay, now we shall go according to the formula here. What we have, that implies that is area of OABCO is equal to area of OACO. That means OACO. That means here we require to find the area under this particular curve. What is this line here? Y is equal to x by root 3 along with the x axis, and x equal to 0 and x equal to what we have here, that is x equal to root 3 line it is. Okay, that we shall substitute, which is equal to, that is integral from x equal to 0 to x equal to root 3. Okay, x equal to root 3, dear students, then y y1 dx plus here next one area of ABCA. That means right from here root 3 to 2 here, that is nothing but x equal to root 3 to x equal to 2, that is y2 dx. So here y1 indicates the equation of the straight line here, and y2 indicates here the circle here. Okay, here y1 indicates straight line, that is y is equal to x by root 3, and y2 indicates circle, that is y is equal to root of 4 minus x square. Okay, so here if we take x square here, y is equal to root of 4 minus x square. These both values I will substitute. That is nothing but here integral from 0 to root 3. Y1 means what it is, x by root 3 into dx plus root 3 to 2 here. Y2 means what it is, root of, dear students, 4 minus x square into dx. Okay, and next we have to integrate it and find out the value. It is nothing but our very, very simple example. Okay, dear students, now let us integrate it. Okay, so now let us integrate this value. Let us observe what we get here. So which is equal to, so first one integration 1 by root 3 I will take it outside. Integration of x, that is nothing but our x square by 2 between the limit 0 to root 3. Then plus of What things I can take on constant? Nothing constant is there. Directly it is nothing but root of a square plus x, a square minus x square, that is nothing but here x by 2 root of 4 minus x square plus a square by 2, that is nothing but here a square means a is equal to 2 here, 4 by 2. We have sine inverse of x by a, that is nothing but 2 here, between the limits, that is root 3 by 2 here. Now we shall substitute the limits and find out the answer here, which is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay students, 1 by root 3. Now here I will substitute the upper limit. Okay, only one single term is there, we will put only the square brackets, that is root 3 whole square, that is nothing but 3 by 2 minus of 0 here plus. Next part is, for this whole thing I will put the upper limit. Upper limit what we get here, 2 by 2, 1, 4 minus 4, 2 square, that is nothing but 0 here, we get 0 plus here 4 by 2, the value is 2, we get here sine inverse of 2 by 2, that is nothing but here 1 here. Upper limit is over, minus of lower limit value. Lower limit what is the value? Root 3. So what we get here, that is nothing but here root 3 by 2 root of what it is, x square is root 3, that means 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 plus here 4 by 2 is 2, sine inverse of what we get here, root 3 by 2 here. So what we have, that is sine inverse of root 3 by 2 here. Okay dear students, now let us put out the next value. Now what is the value here that we shall observe here? Okay. Now next thing is, which is equal to, here I can write as 3 divided by 2 root 3, okay, plus of, next here 2 sine inverse of 1, that is nothing but here 2 pi by 2 minus of, here you can observe that it is nothing but our root 3 by 2 here. Dear students, it is nothing but 4 minus 3, that value will be 1, and here minus into plus, it is minus here 2 into. Now what is the value for sine of? Okay, that is root 3 by 2. Okay, that is nothing but here 0, pi by 6, okay, pi by 4, that is nothing but here pi by 3, pi by 2. The value will be sine of, that is pi by 3 value. Okay. Now here next value will be, I will equate all these terms. Okay. After equating means what it is, here we can observe that 3 by root 3, the value will be root 3 by 2, okay, plus of pi, here 2 to get eliminates, the remaining part is pi, then minus of what is the remaining part here, root 3 by 2, and then minus 2 pi by 3. Here these two terms get eliminates, okay, these two parts get eliminates, and what is the remaining part, let us observe, that is a pi minus 2 pi by 3, okay, 3 pi minus 2 pi by 3, that is nothing but here pi by 3 square units. Okay dear students, that is a pi by 3 square units. It is a very, very simple example that you are asked in your question paper for 5 marks. Dear students, what are the main important concepts for you to remember here? The first thing is equation of the circle. We should know the basics of the equation of the circle. Here 4 means what it is, x square plus y square equal to r square. That means the radius is 2. From that particular thing, this point, this particular coordinate value I can find. The next thing is, since it is a straight line, it divides, we are dividing into 2 halves. So first half we require to find out this particular coordinate. So therefore we are equating the circle and the equation of the straight line here. Okay dear students, by making use of this I am finding out the a value coordinate. After that I am equating it here, substituting the roots here, that is nothing, substituting the upper and lower limit, and then integrating it simply. Okay dear students, it was nothing but a simple problem. Now before going to the next video, please pause the video to note it down. Okay dear students, now let us continue with the next problem. So now what we have in the next problem is, find the area bounded by the curve, okay, y is equal to cos x, okay, between the between x equal to 0 and x equal to 2 pi. Now here this particular question was asked in the year June 17, that is in June 15, as well as in preparatory 15 and 18. For 5 marks question it is, okay. This question is for 3 marks, 3 marks. It is an important one asked in your question paper. Now here how to solve it? First of all, cos x. We shall draw the graph of your cos x. What we had learnt already in the previous sessions. Now here cos x, it passes through 0 here, that is cos 0 value will be 1 here. And one thing we have to observe that here, okay. Now here, that means here it is nothing but here x equal to 0, x equal to 0, till where it is nothing but 0, pi by 2, then it is pi, then here it is 3 pi by 2, and this value will be our, what it is, 2 pi, that is nothing but here 2 pi, that is x equal to 2 pi here, x equal to 2 pi. That means here I require to find the area of this whole sector here, area of this whole sector. Now here, that means what do we indicate here is this whole area I require to find, that means each and everything 0 to pi by 2 first of all, okay. First of all we have to look for 0 to pi by 2, then 0 to pi, okay, then 0 to 3 pi by 2 here, okay, then again pi to 3 pi by 2, again pi 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, like this all the values we have to check here. So instead of that, we know that in each and every, that is from 0 to pi by 2, and here pi by 2 to pi, pi to 3 pi by 2, and 3 pi by 2 2 pi. These all 4 areas will be same here. These all 4 areas will be same. So therefore, this whole region, what I will do is, that is nothing but here 4 into, that is integral area from area of, I will take it as OAB here, that is area of OAB. 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 4 into this particular area, and because this particular area will be same here in all these things. That means here what we have 4 into integral from where to where it is from x equal to 0, and what is this particular line, that is pi by 2 comma 0 here, that means 0 to what we have, pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, that is nothing but here y dx. What is the curve here? The curve is y, that is nothing but cos x, that is 4 into 0 to pi by 2, we are having cos x dx, okay. Now here what is the integration of cos x? The cos x integration will be sin x, between the limit what we have, that is nothing but here 0 to pi by 2, the integral value limit will be 0 to pi by 2, that means here 4 into, now here we will substitute the upper limit, that is nothing but here sin of pi by 2 minus of sin 0, the sin 0 value will be 0, and sin pi by 2 value will be 1 here, that is 4 into 1 minus 0, the value will be 4 square units, okay. The value will be 4 square units, that is nothing but our required result, and very simple and easy example here, that is for 3 marks. Now let us move on with a 5 marks problem here. Now let us observe here, that is find the area of the smaller part of the circle. First of all we have to draw the circle here, okay. The first thing is we have to draw the circle here. Okay, the equation of the circle is known to be as x square plus y square is equal to a square, one thing, and by the line x equal to a by root 2. What is the line? X is equal to a by root 2. Let us take the line as x equal to, that is x equal to here what we have, a by root 2 value, and here we can observe that the equation of the circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. That means here the radius will be a here, the radius will be a, that means here this particular point will be a comma 0, or this particular line will be x equal to a here. Now what I require to find here is, I require to find this particular sector area, okay. This particular sector area I require to find here. So what I will do is 2 into, since these two parts are equal, 2 into this particular area I will find out here. And here we are knowing the equation of this line also, that is x equal to a by root 2, and here x equal to a, and it is nothing but our equation of the circle. So therefore let us name it as O A, okay, then we shall name it as A B C, okay, then D, okay. So here according to the diagram we require to find that is area of that is AB, okay, dear students, that is AB C D A, okay. That means what I will do is 2 into area of that is ACDA. I will find out area of ACDA. Now what I will get here is, that is a 2 into integration from where to where it is, that is nothing from x equal to, that is a by root 2, okay, a by root 2 according to the line here, till where it is x equal to a and y dx. That means it indicates, this particular indicates area under the curve, okay, area under the curve. Y means what it is? Equation of the circle, area under the equation of the circle from the line x equal to a to x equal to b, okay, along with the x axis, till the x axis. But what is the value for y here? That is unknown here. X square plus y square is equal to a square he has given, y square is equal to a square minus x square, that implies y is equal to root of a square minus x square, okay, that is also given. That I will substitute here, okay dear student, that is nothing but 2 into, in the place of y, that is a by root 2 to a, y means what it is? That is nothing but here a square minus x square into dx, a square minus x square into dx. Now which is nothing but here 2 into, now here you substitute the value, that is nothing but here integrated, a square minus x square, that is nothing but here x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus of a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a between the limits a by root 2 to a here. These all values I will substitute. So what we get, that is 2 as it is. Now I will substitute the upper limit, okay, upper limit value na substitute ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ, a by 2 a square minus a square, the value will be 0 plus of, now the upper value for this value, that is a square by 2 sine inverse of a by a, that is nothing but sine inverse of a by a, the value will be 1, okay, minus of lower limit value is a by root 2, that is here x means here a by 2 root 2, okay, root of what we get here a square minus square it, that is a square by 2 plus of here a square by 2 as it is sine inverse of, that is nothing but here a by root 2 into a, okay, that is nothing but here substituting the upper limit as well as the lower limit. Now I will solve it, that is nothing but here 2 a square by 2, students, 2 into a square by 2 sine inverse of 1, that is nothing but here pi by 2 minus of here what we have is a by 2 root 2 here, a by 2 root 2 we have, and here 2 minus 1, that is nothing but here 1 here, a square by 2, that is nothing but here a by root 2 I can write here. After that is 2 a square minus a square, that is a square by 2, okay, a square root means a here 2 root 2 plus of, that is nothing but here a square by 2 sine inverse of a get eliminates 1 by root 2, that is nothing but here pi by 4, the value will be pi by 4 here. Now substitute it, okay, here that is we are multiplying it by 2 throughout, dear students, I am multiplying it by 2 throughout, so I will now substitute it, that is nothing but here a square pi by 4 minus of here a square root 2 that is 2 into 2 4, that is nothing but again a square by 4, okay dear student, that is nothing but a square by 4 minus of what we have a square pi divided by 8. Now multiply it by 2 and then you can solve it. So here a square by 4, okay, minus a square pi by 8, that is nothing but a square pi by 4 only. So what we get here, that is nothing but here 2 into a square pi divided by 4 minus of a square by 4. If you multiply it by 2, or if you take here a square by 4 common, a square 2 a square by 4 common, what is the remaining part is pi minus 1, okay, and that will be our required result. Okay, if you want you can take the LCM here, that is a square pi by 4 minus 1 by 8, that is nothing but here 1 by 4 minus 1 by 8, the LCM will be 8 here, that is 8 minus, okay, that is 2 2s are 2 minus 1, that is nothing but here 1 by 8 value, okay dear students, it is nothing but here 1 by 8 here, 1 by 8 value, that means here pi by 2 we get, the value will be pi by 2, and hence the answer will be a square by 2 into pi by 2 minus 1 square units. That will be your required result. Okay dear students, it is a very simple example asked in your examination. Okay, asked in your examination for how many marks? That is 5 marks problem it is. Okay dear students, that is all about our exercise number 8.1. In the next class we shall start with another concept related to our application to integrals. Till that, thank you.